Hello, Dr. Urban here. I want to talk to you about the issue of DNA and destiny. Is DNA destiny? We know that if you have problems in your family that seem to be genetic, they may or may not express themselves. There seems to be, in some cases, a factor determining whether or not that genetic propensity carries through to you and your offspring. What's that all about? Well, I'm going to begin a series talking about genes. I'm going to be talking about dirty genes, DNA, epigenetics, and a substance called SNPs. You'll hear about SNPs, and as we often tend to do, and as I did, we tend to try to derive their meaning out of context. Well, that may not serve us enough because a SNP is a single, meaning one, nucleotide, I'll get into that in a minute, polymorphism, which means many forms. In our DNA, we have chains of nucleotides. That's the N in SNP. The nucleotides are made up of certain substance think of them as a chain, and certain groups and sequences of DNA make proteins, and those proteins determine, in large part, what's going on. Now, when you have green eyes, can you change that? No. But what if you have glutathione, the natural antioxidant made by your body, and that glutathione, you want more of it? Could there be something blocking that? Could you have a gene that's faulty, or could you be impacting a more normal gene or typical gene and not know it? And that brings up the subject of dirty genes and SNPs. So the SNP is the single nucleotide polymorphism, and each of us have about 1 million variations, different SNPs. So you're into it up to your neck, whether you like it or not. Now the thing is that you can change your DNA destiny by changing the expression of your genes. So you've got the genes, and how does that work? Well, genes can become dirty. That's the subject of the next video. But genes can become dirty. They can be born dirty, but if you clean them, then you can get and maybe escape the destiny of your siblings because you clean your genes, and you do that. How do you do that? Well, you address issues like diet, stress, sleep, and so forth. But that's the subject of another video. But DNA and destiny, they're not totally uncoupled, but it's not a sentence that you can't avoid. And you can do much better than, let's say, siblings if you address the SNP issue, assume the SNP issue, and take ways to clean your DNA and your genes.